Hey Siri, you roast me all the time, but you're literally a bot with your NPC looking.
This man's talking, but his head looks like the villager from Minecraft. Boy be getting his booty cheeks smacked by the iron golem. I know you're not talking looking like a deformed motorcycle kissing Michael Bottom of the food cycle looking boy. You asked James Charles out and he rejected your ugly potato head looking, airhead looking, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall broke boy can't afford anything at the mall. You're diabolically the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Look like your name is Eugene, black bean dry clean looking boy.